Hello, I'm Hamed. Welcome to a new series about Next.js. In this series, we'll start from the basics and learn different concepts of Next.js. We will be using Next.js version 14. In this introductory video, we will talk briefly about what is Next.js, we should you learn it, and prerequisites to get started. First, what is Next.js? Next.js is a React framework for web apps. When building with just React, you need more. It's not enough for a full web app. React is for the user interface, but for other parts like routing, data, and etc., you need extra packages. Next uses React but provides more. It simplifies building production-ready apps. No need to install extra packages. But it has rules to follow. Now, why learn Next.js? Because it makes a web app building easier. It simplifies routing data and more. It even allows you to create APIs. It supports both server-side and client-side rendering. It makes data fetching easy. It supports various styling methods. It optimizes images, fonts, and scripts. It's good for web vitals and user experience. Next.js has a great build system, but remember, it has its own rules. To get started with Next.js, you need to know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You should be familiar with modern JavaScript. You should also know React basics. We will cover everything step by step. I will refer to Next.js as a next in the series. Don't worry, it's the same things. Let's start with simple Hello World app in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more Next.js content. See you in the next video. Happy coding!